Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and enabling two-step verification to protect points. This prevents lockouts. Once done, make sure your rewards profile, region, and age are correct because rewards availability depends on them. Next, install Microsoft Edge and add the rewards extension for one-click access. You should pin Bing to the taskbar and set Edge as a default browser for consistency. These initial steps let you begin earning immediately and avoid common setup delays. You follow a simple daily routine. Open the rewards dashboard, complete daily sets and the small quizzes because they yield steady points each day. Once done, use Bing searches on desktop and mobile to reach both quotas, alternate queries, and click useful results to avoid automation flags. Make sure to run Edge-exclusive activities and check Microsoft Store for small purchases or free app installs that often grant bonus points. If you have Xbox, complete short achievement-style tasks to stack rewards quickly and legally. You finalize by redeeming points for the best value gift cards or sweepstakes, and monitor expiration dates so nothing is wasted. Once done, sync your activity across devices and confirm your points balance. Make sure to clear browser cache or fully re-log in if searches or activities aren't counted. If problems persist, take screenshots of activities and dates, then contact Microsoft Rewards support through the help portal. That evidence speeds resolution and often restores missing points within a few business days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.